Hey Ron, my name's Corey. Tyler told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three quick tips on how to actually get more quality traffic to your website and really outrank your competition online and get that phone ringing for you. Anyway, so three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I've been looking over your website and really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words on that first page, being really euphoric in that way. Plus adding that much more words, you can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are actually how people are actually searching for you. Even these images down here, this is all content. Google sees this all. You got a download one back there. You could switch that out and put some keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings even more and help you get on that first page of Google there. And that's where all the people go shopping, is that first page too, by the way. So if I go inside of Google and type in heating repair Green Bay, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the top. These are actually brand new with Google. They came up with these to replace these old school traditional ads, which they're down here at the bottom. Those being really spammy, so a lot of people have been going away with them. So Google came up with these to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. And if you look at the costs on running ads and the return, yeah, honestly, go with the organic way all the way, because it's a better way. It'll save you more money and also make you a lot more money as well. But anyway, this little map section, to get the rankings here, is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. We can come in and see all these different businesses. There's even different pages as well that go on. And to get in these top rankings right here in this map section, we're going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is come in and get those same citations from all your top competitors. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. Maybe 50 times, maybe even 100 times the citations that they have. So when Google comes over and does their crawl, they have no reason to put you on those top rankings of right here on this map section. So underneath the map there, this is all the organic traffic. This is the first page of Google, and really to find yourself ranked here on that first page really comes down to having that authoritative content, making sure you're really detailed in what you do and how you do it, so that way you can actually be ranked and found for those keywords as well. But also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it, really. And there's kind of a trust factor that goes along with that as well. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So looks like you got this thing back in 2013. That's been your history there. This is the last 3 months of your website. You got 40 referring domains, 196 backlinks. Historically, you've had 826. You got 47 keywords you're being found for, 15 clicks to your website. Coming in, let me show you, this is Apex. Apex, it's one of your competitions out there. I'm going to put them inside of Ahrefs. I want to do a quick overview. They don't have a heck of a lot of backlinks, but like I said, not all backlinks are actually created equal. They got 47 referring domains, 156 backlinks, 246 keywords they're being found for, and they're getting 289 clicks to their website on average every month. Coming in, seeing where these clicks are actually coming from. Here's all their keywords, the amount of clicks for each keyword, also their position that they're ranked for inside of Google. That brings in, which will bring them a decent, that brings in the amount of clicks coming from each keyword. Let me give you a couple examples here. Heating and cooling Green Bay, that's a really good keyword to have. 200 clicks every month with that one keyword. First position, they're getting 32 clicks out of the 200 there. HVAC Green Bay, another 60 clicks. They got 21 clicks out of the 60. They have the first position. Heating and cooling Green Bay WI, another 70 clicks. 24 clicks out of the 70. Some really good ROIs with those keywords. And so really coming down the list right here and finding all these HVAC Green Bay, another 60 clicks. Heating and cooling Green Bay, Wisconsin. So really coming in and finding more of these keywords that's just going to help you draw in a lot more clicks to your website, which will help you draw in more of that business and get your phone ringing with that quality work, I should say. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, feel free to reach back out. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine. If you want to give me a review on how I did in this video, that'd be awesome. Thanks. Have a good day.